For this video, I'm going to show you how to complete an assigned playlist. An assigned playlist is basically an assignment, but there are multiple items to complete within it. So I am on a student account currently, and this is what they'll see when they log in. And notice under classes, it says March 24th is the due date of the next assignment. So they want to go into classes. And then here's their assignment list. And here is the playlist we're going to be working with. This is just an example. Once you get here, go ahead and click into it. And there's 4 items. Currently it says not started. If a student has started one, it would say in progress and eventually completed. If at any point you want to add a comment or a question, you can do so. You can even do it within each assigned piece. So I suggest that you go in order that they are assigned. This last piece I don't usually assign. You can usually find it under Browse if you need. This is a review video. So first, start with the solve and share. So on the solve and share, it's an introduction to what we will be going over. It's to get their brain working. So it's a real world problem. It's not exactly telling them how to do it, it's just getting them thinking. So once they've messed around with these tools and feel that they've completed it, then they're going to move on to the next. So here's the second item. Don't turn it in yet. Make sure you go to the second item tab up here. So here's the video, pause that, that's actually going to show them how to do the day's assignment. So go through and you'll get to these stop points and it'll ask questions, have them think about the questions, maybe tell somebody what they think, and then just keep going through thinking about what they're supposed to be doing. Once they've finished the video, move on to the assignment. So on the assignment, you click Start. And this one has 12 questions. That's not always going to be the case. If they are really stuck on an assignment, they can click Question Help. After they put in an answer, so let's just put in a random number here, they can check their answer. If it's wrong, it'll tell them so. If it's correct, it'll say, hey, fantastic, great job, and then they'll be able to move on. If they ever miss the answer, they can redo it to get the correct answer and just keep going through. If they don't have time to finish, that's okay. You can go to Review Progress. It'll show where you're at. Make sure you don't submit until it's all the way done. This last piece, as I said, is a review. So this is a review video. Usually I won't assign this. It'll be just on the Browse tab if necessary. If they're not understanding something, you want to take another look. Once everything's completed, they can click Turn in All. And then each step, it'll say if they're done. So if it's incomplete, of course, which it is, I didn't answer anything, you can go back and click Keep Going to make sure they've completed everything. I'm going to go ahead and exit. I'm going to go back. So now I'm back on that main assignments page, and the assignment's not here. A lot of the time students are like, Mr. Spence, I'm in there, my assignment's gone, I was halfway done. Well, that's because you started. It's on the In Progress tab. So click the In Progress tab, and there it is. And then of course, if you ever want to go back and look at an assignment, it will be under Completed. We didn't complete the assignment, so In Progress. So make sure when you're done, click the Turn in All button so that it gets to this Completed tab.